Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Castrating Kids. My name's Teddy. My brother's name is Reese. Raymond. So today we will be using the Jaguar on the cabbage palm track. So it starts up here in the cabbage palm, goes down, then up into the mini forest. Then it goes out of the forest, does a big gap jump, then shoots it off. So let's test it out. So over here, along the tree, here's my hand. It'll be going in 3, 2, 1, go. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to smash that subscribe button and like to us. And see you guys next time. Bye.